Welcome to NR Pathshala. Today we'll see how to write a leave letter. So Raja Patra, that is a leave letter. So the format I'll show in English, then the same format will follow in Kannada. So format is same for writing a letter in English also and in Kannada also. So here first you have to write the date and the place in the right top corner from your name, your class, your school name and place name. 2. To whom you are addressing the letter. So class teacher or the principal. So in the question they will give you to whom to address. So you have to address accordingly. School name and place name. Next you have to write respected. Sir or madam you can write, or respected. Subject you have to write in short for what you are writing this letter for. Then comes the body of the letter. So body of the letter asking for the leave. Then you have to explain why you need that leave, from when to when you need the leave, and you have to request to grant the leave. You have to end the letter by thanking you and then again your name and your place. So here a sample letter asking for 2 days leave. So starting date, you have to write the date and the place name. So I have written 25/7/2025 Bengaluru. So you have to write the date and the place name. Inda means from whom. So you write your name, write your class, write the school name and the place name. So here I have written Pavitra for name. Entanaya Taragati means 8th standard. Sarakari Praudashale, that is the school name, and Bengaluru, that is the place name. Ivarige means to whom you are addressing. Mukhya Shikshakaru, that is the class teacher, or Mukhyopadhyayaru, principal. Sarakari Praudashale, that is a school name, and place name, Bengaluru. Next, Manyare means respected. Then Vishaya means subject. So what is the subject? Asking for 2 days leave. Why you are writing the letter? That you have to write there. So, 2 dina raje kori arji. So, 2 dina means for 2 days. Raje kori. Raje means leave. Kori means requesting. Arji means letter. So, a letter requesting for 2 days leave. Now, coming to the body of the letter. ಮೇಲ್ಕಂಡ ವಿಷಯಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಿಸಿದಂತೆ. So, ಮೇಲ್ಕಂಡ ವಿಷಯ. So, you have written the Vishaya now for asking for 2 days leave. So, ಮೇಲ್ಕಂಡ means above. Vishaya means the matter. ಸಂಬಂಧಿಸಿದಂತೆ related to the above matter. 2 ದಿನಗಳ ಕಾಲ ಶಾಲೆಗೆ ಬರಲಾಗುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. For 2 days I cannot come to school. ಏಕೆಂದರೆ you have to explain now. Give the reason. You have to give the reason here. ಏಕೆಂದರೆ ನನ್ನ ಅಕ್ಕನ ಮದುವೆ ಇದೆ. So this is the reason. My elder sister's wedding is there. So in the question, if they have given why you write a letter asking for the matter they will give you. So you have to explain that matter here. Dinanka. Now you have to write how many days leave you want. No, the date you have to write. From which date to which date. So, Dinanka 27/7/2025. That is from 27/7/2025. Rinda, from this date to 28/7/2025 varege. So, till this date. That is 2 days. Rajanidi. Give me holiday ಎಂದು ತಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ವಿನಂತಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೇನೆ. ವಿನಂತಿಸುವುದು means requesting. So I am requesting you to grant this leave. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು means thank you. and end it by your sign. So, inti nimma preetiya vidyarthini. You have to write like this. So, if it is a boy, vidyarthi. Okay. If it is a girl, vidyarthini. Then write your name and place name. So, Pavitra, Bengaluru. Hope this was helpful. Thank you.